everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I've got feet with me. I am doing my project polish update for you. It's not the best update. It's been kind of a weird month, but you know, it is what it is. I'm going to show you these in no particular order. Well, my own order, because you know I do things in my own way. And yeah, I'm going to get the ones that don't show any progress out of the way first. And oddly enough, I've used all three of the ones that don't show any progress. I guess I just didn't use enough, maybe. So this first one is just from some color kit. I don't even know the name of it. I am just under where this line is, but it is not used enough to actually make a line. It is not what I have on my nails today, but yeah, I've used it. It's just, it doesn't really look like it. The next two are both from Artmatic, and this one is green. And I was at the top of this line. Now it's like kind of at the bottom. I don't know why I can't do a straight line. I guess, you know, I just got some issues there, but I am towards the bottom of that line now. So not the most impressive, but you know, I'm working on it. Next is this blue one from Artmatic. This is a super crooked line. Like, it goes this way, and I'm a mess. Again, I was at the top of the line, now I'm at the bottom of the line, but there wasn't enough space, you know, from where the line on the bottle and the polish lined up to actually do another line, because then they would just like smush into one another, and why bother with that? All right, same with this one. This one's a little bit easier to see. This one is Saturn from Avon. You can see I was at the top, now I'm at the bottom. It's probably been 2 weeks since I've used this one, so you can see it's kind of settled a little bit, so not the most impressive. This one I actually have on my nails now, and you can't tell that I've used it at all. So this is Love Me from e.l.f. I've had it for a hot minute, and I'm like right in the middle of this line. It was at the top, now I'm right in the middle of the line, but in all fairness, I did only do 2 accent nails, so I don't know what I was expecting as far as progress. I don't know. This one is Clean Color Holiday Jingle. And again, I was at the top of the line. Now I'm kind of through the middle of the line, not quite at the bottom. I should have used it for St. Patrick's Day, but I didn't. I didn't even wear green polish for St. Patrick's Day. I did orange. It is one of the Ireland flag colors, so, and I wore green clothing, but I had orange on my nails, so both represented. Next, I use this one a ton, and it is not showing a whole lot of progress. This one is also from Artmatic. It is just a tiny micro glitter, and I was at the top of this part of the wonky line. Now I'm towards the bottom of it on this side, but I use this frequently. I even did it over my orange nails, and yeah, I feel like I use this every other manicure just because it's so pretty, and it just kind of like gives a little something extra without being obvious, but it's such a thin topper that frequent use doesn't show a lot of progress. It's okay. I'm just going to keep using it. I love it. I'm enjoying it. It is insanely old. I'm not kidding when I say that's probably 30 years old. I know it's crazy, but I don't see why I shouldn't use it. It still works. It does its job, and I like it. So there is that. Next, we have Sally Hansen To The Moon. I've used this a couple of times, and I can't quite make a new line. I was at the top of the green. Now I'm just a hair under the green line, but again, not enough to make a line, but I have used it, and I probably will be using that again soon. I just haven't used it in the last 2 weeks, I think, but I'll be doing it soon. All right, now I have 2 more polishes I'm going to show you. They have the best progress. I actually got to put lines on both of these. So the first one is Sephora by OPI, Till We Meet Again. So you can see where I was and where I am now. Not the most amazing progress, but we're going to take this. probably, this is more blue than this, but it's okay. We're making some progress on it. I'm happy about that. I got a new line. Win for me. And then the one that I do actually have on my nails now, this is super old, probably almost as old as this Artmatic one, the other Artmatics. This is Revlon Cherries in the Snow. It has been around forever and a day, and I feel like it's an heirloom. It's an antique at this point, but I love it. I have it on my nails now with the e.l.f. glitter over top of it, and I was able to draw a new line. So whatever that dark color is there, probably like a green or purple or something, and now I'm at the crooked silver line. I just cannot do a straight line. It's just not possible for me to do that. So these were the winners for the past month. They got the most progress on them. I'm really hoping to have better progress for next month. I think what is going on here is I do put a lot of nail polishes in other projects, and because a lot of those are one use and then roll out, I've kind of been using those frequently. And not that I'm neglecting my Project polishes, because I am still using them, but I'm not using them as frequently as if I wasn't using so many polishes in other projects. But by the same token, I'm enjoying my polishes, all of them, and I'm having fun with that. And this is a play year. So I feel like as long as I'm using my Project polishes, that's very awkward to say, I feel like it's a win for me, because I do think I'm going to get the majority of these polishes done this year, if not all of them, while still being able to enjoy other polishes. It's just going to be slower progress, but there is progress. So to me, that's a win. I'm enjoying it so far this year. If I feel a little bit more pressure to get these polishes done further into the year, I probably will focus on them a little bit more. But for now, as long as I'm using them, I feel very content with the way this project is going. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because it's already late, because this little lady and I back here, we were making homemade English muffins for the first time. It's a new recipe, and I think you like them, right? She's nodding back there. So yeah, we were a little bit behind today because we baked sandwich bread and we baked the English muffins, or not baked them, but you know, because she did them on the stove, it was different. So, you know, I was in the kitchen all day long today, and I was like, running out of time. So here we are, late as ever, because that's how we roll up in here. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I am not even going to make predictions for the next month for these polishes. I don't think any of them are going to be done, but like I said, as long as I have progress each and every month and I am using them, I'm going to count that as a win. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.